I'm the director, I'm their friend, I'm their clown, I'm their PA, ganyan.
Tapos sabay ka pa sa energy nila sa set, di ba?
So patan-patan na ako, di ba? Uuwi ako, pagod na ako, dahil kong ginagawa. So parang gano'n. Pero I make it a point na, so I told them na let's enjoy each and every scenes that we do kasi makikita yon ng audience. So yun naman ang ginawa namin.
Thank you. Ngayon may tanong tayo sa isang profound writer who have experienced profound romance, both happily and hopelessly.
Pablo Tarima.
Pablo Tarima ng Philippine Star.
Sige nga, dito Pablo, please.
Yeah, hi, Direk. Good evening. Dun sa karanasan mo sa pag-direct ng past pictures na naging successful, what would you say is the directorial approach that works with young actors like Scanston?
I believe there's no formula in working with young cast and young actors. It's just that you have to trust your instincts and work hand in hand with your actors. Even though they're young, you cannot naman tell them na, okay, do this, do that. Because they can also contribute, especially in creating their characters and understanding them primarily. Yung mga yon ng ginagawa ko po. Kaya I think nagiging successful because they don't actually see me as their director or mentor lang. They also see me as a friend. So, I think yun yung sa akin. That's my style. So, ibang directors, of course, they have their own styles. So, that's mine.
Yeah, Direk, anong nakita mong evolution nito ng young actors? Kasi nahandle mo sila nung hindi na sila masyadong kilala and then ngayon, their success in the box office. Anong nakita mong changes sa outlook nitong young actors na nahandle mo?
Okay. Firstly, their maturity as an individual. They have matured a lot because at first, as I told you kanina, parang awkward pa sila, yung pagka pinagtinginan mo sila, parang, James, Nadine, look at each other, na parang may crush ka sa kanya, ganun pa yung mga acting, yung nahihiya, di ba? So ngayon, pagka sabi ko sa kanila, look at each other, magtititigan, tapos may ngingiti, tapos parang, ay, kinikilig ako. Parang ganun yung sa akin. Yung kasi, as friends, mas may lalim na yung tinginan nila, mas may lalim na yung friendship nila, kaya mas nagiging potent yung chemistry nila as a love team. And with Julia and Inigo, parang they're the best of friends. So, habang dinidirect mo sila, ganyan, ang kulit, ang likod, ganyan, ang likod-likod. Pero pagka narinig na nila yung action, beautiful. It's like a spark, yung gano'n. Because also, bumabalik tayo doon sa deep friendship. I think yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng love team, yung friendship ng dalawa. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Yeah, Direk, sa success ng iba-ibang projects mo, what does box office success teach a director like you?
Okay. Mahirap sagutin. More responsibility, I believe. Because yung ginagawang project, napapansin, may mga taong nagbabayad para manood ng mga pelikulang ginagawa ko. So, ayoko namang ma-shortchange sila sa pagpunta sa sinihan, sa expectations nila dun sa project, especially dun sa mga pang-bagets kong project. ayoko naman silang i-shortchange doon. Yung responsibility po sa manonood at also yung responsibility ko din bilang director sa producers. Yun po.
Yeah, thank you. Kay James and Nadine, how did the success of the last two pictures change you as an actor? Anong naging effect sa inyo nun? And then, how did you handle success mo?
Responsibility rin. Joke lang, di ba? Nats, anong naging epekto nun?
Well, syempre there's ano din, responsibility, tama po yun. Kasi a lot of younger generations are looking up to us. So kailangan maging maingat kami, maging role models kami sa kanila. Syempre ayaw naman din namin na may mga gawin lang yung sa samang bagay. What changed us? I guess,
As actor and as